What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the icon color changed after software update issue on your Redmi cell phone. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings scroll down and here tap on apps. Now tap on manage apps and then tap on this three dot more option. Now tap on other settings and then tap on reset app preferences. Now from the pop-up again tap on reset apps to confirm. So when I will tap on this option here, it will reset the preferences for all the apps and change them back to default, and after that the icon color issue will be fixed. But if you're still facing the issue, then open settings. Now tap on about phone and here tap on the software version. Now it will start checking for software updates for your phone, and if you have a new update available then update the software, and after updating the software the icon color issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then go back and here tap on factory reset and then tap on erase all data. Now enter the lock screen pin, password or pattern to confirm. So when you will enter the correct pin, password or pattern of your lock screen here, then it will reset your phone back to factory default, and after that everything from your phone will be deleted, including apps, contacts, photos, videos, everything will be deleted. And after doing this, the icon colors issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the icon colors changed after software update issue on your Redmi cell phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.